Hello. I see dirt. Move. Move. Ah. Ah. Help me. Ah.
Roomba. God dog it, Barry.
You saved me. Thank you. No one has ever been there for me. I think I'm falling in love.
What the hell?
Good morning. I made breakfast.
What the hell? Is my house haunted?
You don't like soup? I'm sorry. I can make something else. Do you like eggs?
Barry, really?
What are you doing? I'm better than a broom. I am all you
Oh,
need.
nope. Nope. You need to clean up this dirt. Dude,
What? No, I didn't do that. I just came here to eat cereal.
did you come here yesterday?
Well, duh, yeah, I come here every morning. You gave me a key.
So you put dirt in the shape of a heart in my living room.
No, I didn't do that. I just came here to eat cereal.
Oh, you eat cereal. Did you put some dirt and trash on a plate in my kitchen?
I think you're tripping.
Give my key back.
Why?
Give my key back.
Fine.
Put it on the counter.
So, no more cereal?
Get out.
I'm here for you.
Yeah.
Uh, uh,
Yo, what the hell?
You don't love me. I'll show you.
310. Die.
You just treat me like trash. I just want to be loved.
Barry? You shaved my cat?